Hello everyone, Lorraine here from makemoneyonline-niches.com and welcome to my 4brand review. 4brand is a product that is launching today from the desk of Neil Napier. So December the 14th at 11 AM on New York time. And so basically that is 1 PM in Spain and noon in the UK. And this product is a software product, and it is all about branding, as you can tell from the name, 4brand. So what I want to do is show you a quick tutorial video of how 4brand works. And I want to show you the bonus products that I have available from my bonus page. If you decide to pick up 4brand through my link, which will be the first link in the description box below this video. So first what I want to do is take a quick look at the sales page. Then we can have a look at my bonus page and the bonuses I have available, and then there is the tutorial on how inside of the members area you can easily create digital assets to brand businesses. So if you're an agency business or a freelancer who does marketing with businesses, then this type of software might be something that you're interested in. So let's go over to the sales page and take a look at what the sales page is saying. So here's the sales page, and we have Neil Napier just giving you a quick introduction to another revolutionary tool that he's created, which is helping businesses with branding and designs such as logos, mock-ups, logo teasers, videos, and much more. So this is the sales page, and as you can see, it's got 12 hours before launch time, and there is at the top of this page a coupon code 4brand to get access to a reduced, obviously, coupon code for a reduced price. So but basically what this is a platform, a software platform, where you can create digital assets for branding businesses. And so if you're in that type of business where you are branding other businesses, newly startups and things like that, or you're a freelance, this particular product might be very useful for you. Animated logos, videos in minutes. It's basically very easy, and I did do upload a video yesterday to my channel which goes through the full demo for this particular product, which you can have a look at in your own time. So there is a video on the sales page, and it walks you through why this product's been created. But basically they're saying it's easy to use, you don't need design and technical skills. There's 300 million unique designs and limitless customization, because every template inside the product is editable with color changes, text changes, font changes. It's multiple different changes that you can use with every different template that's in there, and various niches from health, business, finance, pets, you name it. There's different niche areas and templates for each different section. So it basically that means that when you create individualized logos and videos and things, you're going to stand out from the competition and help your clients to do the same. So basically what this is doing is giving you access to this whole templates and branding software for a one-time payment, no monthly payments moving forward. So basically it's going to save you a lot of money as well. So if you want to reinvent or rebrand your business, or other people are wanting to rebrand or reinvent their businesses in 2022, this is a software that might be very useful. And like I say, we did upload the demonstration video yesterday, and I do have a tutorial later in this video that will help you to understand exactly how this platform works. So let's go over, have a look at some of the bonuses that I have put together for you with my bonus page. So here's my bonus page for 4brand. We can have a look at the prices of the funnel and what's available in the funnel, and you can then make a decision on where you want to be if you think this product is going to be useful for you. So it's a breakthrough all-in-one branding software, help you to create and sell business branding visuals from a single dashboard, just in 3 simple steps. It's everything you need and more to succeed in selling new branding services. So for your clients, 4brand's going to offer you infinite customization options. Turn your idea into a brand, customize and sell 300 million stunning branding visuals to website owners, e-commerce store owners, local businesses, and many more without needing design and technical skills. It's basically selling a business in a box here if you want to sell to clients. So the front end price for this is $37, commercial license $39, one-time offer, one is $67, and the commercial side is $97, annual is $67, one-time $97. Another template club is $37 a month, and the annual is $197. The one-time offer 3 is agency, which is $59 one time, and the 4th upgrade is another toolkit, local toolkit, one time $37. And then we have the descriptions of all of the different funnel options as you go through. And as you can see, there's a lot of things in there with the front end. You've got all these different tools in there. And the upsell one, which is 67 annual and 97 one time, which is a way of uploading your own icons and getting unlimited logo designs. And obviously upsell 2 is the 37 a month or 197 annual. More logo videos, logo templates, mock-up templates. There's lots more information there. Then you've got upsell 3, which is the brand agency, 4brand agency, $59, which is new logo templates monthly, new mock-up templates monthly, access to suggestions for monthly templates. Upsell number 4 is the brand agency, $37, unlocks brand agency creation, which is a website builder, website templates, autoresponder integration, and host website on custom domain or subdomain, unlimited agency users, process payments from PayPal and Stripe integration, and launch 5 branding agencies. So that is a massive amount of information in that one for what you can do for basically that upgrade, $37. So there is the demo video. Like I say, if you want to watch the demo video, I uploaded one yesterday, but also on my bonus page, you've still got this demo. So I encourage you to click through to the first link in the description box below this video and take a look at the demonstration video. Now, any of these buttons will take you through to the sales page. And like I say, it's launching 1 p.m. Spain, 12 noon in the UK, and 11 a.m. ET New York time. Okay, so let's have a look what we've got for bonus 1. We've got Access Insurgency, which is a training course that was created about a year ago by John O. Armstrong, affiliate, coach, mentor, massive marketer, affiliate marketer. And basically he created this product at the beginning of this pandemic and the health scare that was, the health crisis that was going on. And what it teaches is Facebook ads. He joined with a fellow marketer who knows a lot about Facebook ads, and because of the crisis, the cost of Facebook ads actually came down. And so this course is step-by-step over-the-shoulder training that will show you how to use Facebook ads to market various products. My bonus number 2 is a quick training again, how to make an app in less than 25 minutes. My bonus number 3 is learn how to get better conversions. And my bonus number 4 is access continuum done for you. Now, basically, this is another product that was launched by John O. Armstrong, and what it is it's a software and also a training which gives you access to webinar training and a webinar software. So it shows you how you can use webinars to actually market high ticket affiliate offers. And within the continuum, there is already 3 webinars that you can use to promote high ticket affiliate offers. And it's already within the software and this program. So that is my bonus number 4. Now, you still receive all of the vendor bonuses if you decide to pick up 4brand through my link. And when or if you do decide to pick up 4brand, this is launched from the JVZoo platform. It's a software, obviously, and the JVZoo platform, you would receive a receipt like this one here. And on the button at the bottom here is where you would claim access to all of these bonuses that I have just described. So that is basically my bonus page. Now what we can do is show you a tutorial that has been created that will show you a logo being designed within the program 4brand. So let's do that now.
Creating your first logo design with 4brand is very easy. Let's get started. When you click on the logo tab here, you are taken to the logo page. Now you're able to create various folders for your logo project. So this could be used to separate different projects for different clients, or you can create different projects folders for different design groups. So it's left for you to choose how you use the logo, the folder feature. So once you create your first logo, you just click here and give your folder a name, and then you click on add folder, and that's it. Now we've created our folder. We'll move into the folder right now. Now this is an empty folder. So the first thing we need to do, we need to create a logo design. So we either click on the button here or on the button there. So once you click there, you give your logo design a name. Let's quickly add the name here and then click on continue. Now there are 2 things. You can start from scratch, or you can start from any of the templates that we have. And we have over 1,000 template designs. If you've bought access to 4brand and all the other upgrades, that unlocks all the logo designs here. Now you can choose between categories. So let's take, for instance, your business is in any of these niches that are listed in this drop down menu. So you can easily choose from any of them, and you will see logo designs that could fit your needs. You can choose from business and finance. You see logo designs that you can also use for this business niche. And so once you have decided on the logo to use, you select it, and then we head over to the editor to edit it. Now you click on the icon, you see that you can customize the colors the way you want. And once you're done with that, so you choose your preferred brand color, and then you set your brand name here. and you can edit your text. You can change the font here. You can upload a custom font if you're not satisfied with the fonts that we have on our platform, because we know that fonts are very, very key for creating the perfect brand logo for your business. So you can change the font spacing here to add more aesthetics to it, and then you can add your brand slogan here. You can reduce the font spacing, and you can also reduce the font size, and you can change the colors. And once you are done, you click on save. Your design is saved. You can download as PNG or you can download as SVG. Now here are a few things I want to show you from the editor. Now over here, you can add various kinds of text. You can also add special text like these ones here and these ones, and you can customize all of them inside Rebrand You. So let's assume that we want to use this text. So you can adjust the radius however you like. You can adjust the spacing, okay, or you can set the type if you want an arc or straight line or large to these. And once you set all these, your design is good to go, and that is quite simple and straightforward for you to do. And once you're done, you download as PNG or download as SVG, and it's that simple. And then over here you have various shapes that you can use to improve your design. So let's assume you're creating your designs from scratch. You have thousands of icons here that you can make your designs look unique and beautiful. You can also choose between different categories of the shapes. Then here you can choose icons. We have over 3 million logo icons that you can choose from. Just simply click on the search button here and search using the keywords that best fit your brand or business. Or also you can upload your own icons from right inside here and they will appear here for you. Then clip arts here. These are pre-made logo icons that we've loaded into your app for you. We have over 10,000 designs of them. You can search using keywords, or you can also break down into various business niches so that you can choose what fits your business perfectly. So let's take, for instance, we want fashion here. Now it's going to get you logos and icons that fit the fashion niche that you can use for your business. Alright, and over here you can adjust the background of your design. So let's take, for instance, you want to use this to showcase to a client or to your business partners. You can add you can change the background to make it more aesthetically beautiful as you want for your showcase of your designs. Alright, so that's it for creating your logo. It's very simple, it's very quick and very straightforward.